So these are some examples of, you can say, these spin-on cartridges, how they look like. You can even find a smaller spin-on type of cartridges. Spin-on breathers are available. And then this is an example for silica gel breather or desiccant type of a breather, where you can see there is an attachment also, an extension attachment was there here. So this will be installing onto your breather port, your breather filler port, and this is your filling hose, filling connection. So where you can with a quick connector, you can connect your oil through the filtration system, and you can continue to, without opening the breather filler cap, you can continue to do the oil top up as well, right? And this is the silica gel breather. So these are also, again, the silica gel breathers, some more examples like this kind of a small breathers are also available, which will be a very good fit for the, vent plugs. You can actually replace those vent plugs with this kind of, smaller breathers. It contains a paper absorbent breather where moisture, particles, air contamination can be very well arrested. So these desiccant breathers comes out with either with gel or maybe with kind of a silica beads also. So over a period of time, what happens as the saturation taking place, water contamination uh, you know, keep getting, absorbed by the silica gel. Silica gel color will change. So like this blue color, normally the blue color gels will turn into a pink color gel. So very almost like a pale pink color gel, it will turn into, right? Even the orange ones will turn into a kind of yellowish kind of, not yellowish color, some sort of, you can say, light, brown color, light, not even brown color. What do you call it? It's like a very lighter color. You can say it's not white, but it's close to actually say a kind of, light color. They will change it into. But normally these recommendations or, the color changes information will be provided by manufacturers, these breather manufacturers.